in films like वैसा भी होता है where Kailash Kher and I were both shown on the silver screen singing our own song. That shocked the people even more. So I think you need to keep breaking paths and doing something innovative all the time.
Yeah. अच्छा, ये पूरा range of experience with musicians, different sounds.
Yeah.
And you seem to keep experimenting.
Yeah, that's right.
इसने आपको अच्छी singing के बारे में क्या सिखाया? What perspective has it given you? How do you define a good singing, good manner of singing today? And maybe what is an exciting voice for you right now?
I think firstly, an exciting voice is an original voice. There are many singers who are very, very good, but I can't really figure out what is their style, what is their originality. They all follow, some of them just follow some popular singer, the style of that singer, or they'll sound like so and so. I think what really does it for me, what really stimulates me is जब मैं किसी सिंगर को कुछ ओरिजिनल गाते हुए, और ख़ास तौर पे मुझे वो आर्टिस्ट पसंद है. आई लाइक अ कंप्लीट आर्टिस्ट जो कि अपनी एक छाप छोड़ जाएं, जो अपना एक मार्क, अपना साउंड रिप्रेजेंट करें. फॉर मी देयर आर्टिस्ट लाइक रब्बी, आई थिंक जिनका अपना एक अलग ही साउंड है, उनका मैसेज है, उनका एक आई थिंक इट्स एन इंस्टीट्यूशन बाय इटसेल्फ. फिर जैसे कि मोहित चौहान है, या फिर यूफोरिया है, या इंडियन ओशन है, शुभा मुद्गल जी, उषा उत्तुप. They had their own style, and people, if they are singing, you instantly know this is their voice. So I strive to be my own self, my own person. सब में कमियां होती हैं. If you know your strength and you work upon your strength, then you can't go wrong. But if you try to go beyond your strength, then I think you're trying to sound. Then you can fall flat on your face. Basically.
So many amazing new voices coming in. आजकल तो इतने सारे contests होते हैं, And as you just said that you have to explore in your own range.
Yeah.
उसके लिए ऐसा कुछ खास consciously आप करती हो कि you keep making a voice sound keep sounding more interesting. What do you keep doing to it?
I really don't do anything to my voice. I just let it be. I just let my voice be the way it is. Yes, I like to experiment with my own self. What can be my own range? Can I sound like this? Can I sound like that? I know what my strengths are. I know what my weaknesses are. So I like to play upon only my strengths, so that I can do my good work, and people can be happy, and they can be surprised and amazed कि अच्छा, this is something new, this is something different. But practice is very important. रियाज के बिना तो कोई भी genius अधूरा है.
अच्छा
जी.
आपके हिसाब से आपकी voice की सबसे strong point क्या है? What are the strengths in your voice? And where do you think you find yourself?
I think people like you and my wonderful viewers, our wonderful public and audience who love my songs, it'll be better for them to really define that. But मेरी कोशिश यही रहती है that जो मेरी knowledge है, जो मेरे को naturally जो मैं कर सकती हूँ, जैसे कि a few techniques which come to me very naturally in my voice are the vibrato or the harmony technique, or sometimes combining very Western classical scatting with certain Sufi and folk kind of singing. I'm not a classical purist singer at all, so I don't venture into that arena at all. But कुछ classicalisms मैं use करती हूँ अपनी आवाज़ में, जो मैं render कर सकती हूँ with aplomb, powerfully. So I have I think सबकी, and you can keep developing your voice. I think it's not as if आप limited रह सकते हैं. If you keep practicing, there is really, it's boundless. You can actually conquer a lot. But best to work on your strengths.
Right. Acha, you write also, and then you compose your music, and then you sing it. In तीनों stages में सबसे ज़्यादा maybe challenging also and exciting, सबसे ज़्यादा और fulfilling कौन सा aspect रहा है अभी तक हमेशा?
It's very fulfilling when you do your complete score, as in complete song, because then आप singer से हट के एक दूसरे role में आ जाते हैं as a composer, as a musician, और आपका जो गाना है या जो आपका it becomes like your creation, and if that is appreciated by the world, then it's great, because it's something that you have created. As a creation is something which इसकी satisfaction की कोई वो it's paramount, really. As a singer, it's a challenge, and it's wonderful and very stimulating to sing on other people's compositions, क्योंकि वो भी एक challenge है. किसी ने एक खूबसूरत सी melody बनाई है और आपको उसको deliver करना है to their satisfaction and do justice to that melody. So that is also very important. So I think there is a charm in everything about music, be it performing on stage and getting everybody going. Like today, I just परफॉर्म्ड इन चंडीगढ़. मुझे लगता था कि चंडीगढ़ के लोग थोड़े से इंट्रोवर्टिश हैं और इतने सारे लोग आएंगे भी नहीं शो पे, बट इट वाज अ फुल पैक्ड ऑडियंस at the mall, and I was very thrilled to see all of them reacting, dancing, clapping along. Great it was.
Yeah. You know, what is the biggest high of being a singer? What is going on inside you when you're singing? What are you
I think at that point in time you just dedicate yourself to the audience और singer के बीच में, और that is the only world that time. Everything else becomes oblivious, and it's like an affair that you're having with the audience that time. You just, that's your focus and your concentration totally.
You recently sang for the Commonwealth Games also.
Yes, that's right.
How was that experience? Was this the first
That
time
was
you sang?
it was very historic. I would say firstly I was a part of history, because Commonwealth Games India में हुई हैं, और ये हमारे लिए बहुत ही गर्व की बात है. Even though it came under a lot of controversy, but after all 60,000 people in that stadium, Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium, and what a beautiful ceremony it was. What a breathtaking ceremony. And I was the first artist to go on stage to begin the ceremony. So for me, it was a very special day, a special evening.
संगीत के बहुत से चेहरे, लेकिन एक ही जादू. संगीत के कुछ और तार छेड़ेंगे हम शिवानी कश्यप के साथ, लेकिन इस ब्रेक के बाद. What do you want to achieve as a singer? I mean, okay, fine.
I think as an artists are the most I would say discontented souls. वो कभी भी कंटेंटेड नहीं होते थे. उनको लगता है कि हम और बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, और आगे बहुत कुछ करना है, कोलैबोरेशंस करनी है, या और भी एल्बम्स बनानी है. आई थिंक आर्टिस्ट आर their creativity can never ever be I would say it can never be satisfied. It just goes, it is endless and boundless. Really.
Acha, you recently sang a song in French, I believe. There's a
that's right.
There's a movie called It's All Arranged.
Yeah. It's all been arranged.
How was that? Do you know the language?
I don't know the language, and sometimes I just, these offbeat kind of projects come my way, and I just like to maybe say yes to them, because it is a challenge, and I love challenges totally. So when I went to the studio, I was not able to even speak those lines. So I said, मैं गाऊंगी कैसे इनको? French is, trust me, is one of the toughest languages that I could have ever come across. So
but आपकी voice के साथ somehow it's easy to relate it somehow.
French.
Your style of singing.
Yes, I realized that, oh my gosh, that's something which I remember the interpreter जब वो मुझे सिखा रही थी, translator, and when I was singing, so she said, très bien. So I said, okay, that means, she said, very good. And I said, you like it? She said, we like it. So I said, okay, that means it's something which came naturally to me. But also as singers, थोड़ा सा singers में एक होती है ना, एक parrot वाली एक trait होती है कि चीज़ों को grasp कर लेना, चीज़ों को एकदम से pick up कर लेना. So that is always there. So for a singer to sing in many languages is something which is a natural thing to do also.
Can you sing that a bit? I mean, that French thing, and then at least one song of yours.
Trust me, जो French song है वो तो मुझे भूल गया है. I'll have to. You can all go on the website of the film, and you can log on to it.
It's all arranged.
It's all arranged, and you can hear me singing there. Sometimes even I can't believe that ये मैंने गा डाला था उस दिन, but it's a very tough song. I had to actually read line by line and remember it. It took me a whole day to record, but it was good fun at the end of it.
But how about singing a song? आपका जो favorite? One of your favorites.
I really like one song which मैंने बहुत experimental तौर पे बनाया था, क्या नज़ाकत है तेरी अदाओं में. I like to sing that.
That's from your album Nazakat.
नज़ाकत, that's right.
Yeah.
क्या नज़ाकत है तेरी अदाओं में, क्या शरारत है तेरी अदाओं में, ये कारी रात सिरहानों से लेने लगी अंगड़ाइयाँ, क्या नज़ाकत है तेरी अदाओं में, क्या शरारत है तेरी अदाओं में.
अच्छा, you know this whole life of being a musician. What has it given you? What perspective on life has it given you? And what kind of let's say, what traits in you as a human being have come from your music?
I think music आजकल आपको पता होगा कि music is also very therapeutic. Music provides a lot of healing. So I think music के होने से एक divinity जहन में आ जाती है, एक system में आ जाती है, और you feel very at peace with yourself, very calm and very blessed. I think very blessed that God has given us this one gift जिससे हम इतने लोगों को खुश कर सकते हैं और we can make people enjoy. It's a very powerful, I would say, powerful instrument also for yourself. So musically, I think also it makes you express. You can express. कई बारी ये होता है that बहुत सारे लोग जो है अपनी पेन या melancholy नहीं दिखाना चाहते हैं, अपना दुख. So they remain very lively, but through your music you can brood. So sometimes if I'm unhappy about something, I won't really show it as a person, but through my music I can actually, you know, express my melancholy. As I would say.
Are there moments when you don't feel like singing?
Hardly any, but yeah, there could be. There are moments. Yeah.
Okay. कोई आप क्योंकि पंजाब में हैं, चंडीगढ़ में
पंजाब
अच्छा ठीक है, कोई सूफी पोइट है जिसकी पोइट्री आपको अच्छी लगती है, उसका गाना आपको अच्छा लगता है, या आपका खुद का कोई भी सॉन्ग जो आपका बहुत फेवरेट हो?
एक गाना है जो सूफी जॉनर में है, which I love to sing for you and especially for Punjab. I love Punjab and since I'm a Punjabi myself, but I'll just sing a few lines of this song. इस गाने का नाम है नगमगी. कैसी दिल में लगी हाय दिल की लगी, कैसी दिल में लगी हाय दिल की लगी, तेज धड़कन हुई सांस रुक सी गई, नगमगी 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 नगमगी.
Thank you so much, Shivani. It was a pleasure talking to you, and maybe keep listening to
Thank you so much.
more and more music from you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
दुनिया के अनेकों हिस्सों से उभरे सुर और ताल जैसे हवाओं में हमेशा गूंजते रहते हैं, और शिबानी ने ऐसा गुर पाया है कि सब सुरों से मिलकर एक नया सुर ये तलाश ही लेती हैं. काश सुर ऐसे ही तैरते रहें और शिबानी कश्यप की मखमली आवाज उन्हें खूब तराश कर अपने में उतारती रहे, और यहीं कहीं बहता रहे संगीत का खूबसूरत स्रोत बिटवीन अस.